Hi friends! I'm sitting on a school bus today, so thought it would be the perfect opportunity for me to get another video up and on the page. Today's video is part 4, what looks like could be of 5 parts to 1992. And it begins in Norton, Kansas. And Norton, Kansas was always the fun place for people from home to come and visit. It was close enough to home that the drive wasn't such a bad drive, and the facilities were perfect. There was a great motel and a swimming pool to keep everybody busy. And from that point we moved from Norton to Lodgepole, and it appears that we maybe had a few rain days scattered in on our time in Lodgepole. And I ended this video with saying goodbye to some of our favorite harvest friends from Oklahoma and North Dakota. Our friends have been coming to Lodgepole nearly as long as I can remember, even to the days of pre-Zeorian harvesting and into my grandpa and grandma's time in Lodgepole. Seeing their sweet faces again just makes all those memories flood right back and makes me wish that I could see all of them again. So enjoy part 4.
Mommy, come here. Come here.
What?
Just come here.
What?
Come on, Georgie. Come on, George. Mommy, come on, George.
It's alright. Hold it away from you, Jan. Write your name with it. Can you do that? Jamie, you write your name? Could have left it there.
Yeah, why?
How long's dinner gonna be?
Look at the cats.
Where are they?
They're right here. They're fighting. No, they're just playing. This back?
Come
If
on.
we're not going to do it, we're not going to the park.
Oh.
Let me get hold of it.
Yeah, Jane, come on, you can do it. You can do
Just
it.
relax.
You can do
Relax.
it.
Relax. I've got to get a good grip on it so it won't hurt. Just relax.
Tell me when you're good.
Okay, open up your mouth.
Did you get it?
See, don't worry, it does it.
Yay!
Did you get it on film?
Yay!
Right here. Where is it? That's the window.
I didn't tell you when I was going to do it, did I?
I was
No.
thinking you wouldn't.
Now we can girl.
What do you think,
You can really do it now.
dude?
Told you what?
Good girl.
Yay, it's over.
Yay!
Jamie, now tell me something. How much did it hurt? Not much, did it?
Oh, I bet it hurt that much. Bet it hurt that much. I
Here,
hardly
let's
even
turn this
felt
on.
it.
Turn it over.
Let's see your tooth. I'll get a close-up. Let's see that hole. Your very first tooth gone.
He's had a hard day.
Well, he hasn't had a nap since he fell asleep in the car on the way here.
Oh, piece of garlic bread?
Don't hide.
Sounds like Scott's tired too.
I don't know why they're all tired. They all slept coming down.
What?
That's about working later, are we?
That's about
Telling me that, but you sure weren't talking very loud.
Who am I supposed to talk to?
Did I
Well, I
talk?
was in the front seat.
Oh yeah, you were there.
You know, me and
Head out
Leroy.
with Jackson.
Me and
It was
Leroy,
so
we
loud,
went
I
out to
couldn't
that
hear
field
you.
up north, and then we went way down
We
south.
set it up there.
And then we stopped and looked at the truck again. Let's see.
Sit here with you?
There should be another fourth down there, is there?
More lemonade, please.
I think I seen where she put it. Here it is. Aren't you getting tired with that brace on? Yeah, that's pretty shallow.
Now listen to him.
Yeah, listen to you.
Do it again.
Pretty hard.
Go through a deeper part.
Oh well.
When?
Just a minute.
Whoa. Okay, you wait for me.
Yeah, go slippery.
Also be over, please.
Alright, you out of the way?
Yeah.
Whoa!
I jumped.
Pretty speedy, huh, Mark?
Yeah, now who weighs the most?
Oh my god!
You're getting off the concrete.
I'm lifting that off.
You're sure right. You scoot right on around the corner then. Whoops.
That was good, Jen.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Smell the what? Smell the
Go,
what?
go. You're fine.
Smell the what, Dad?
Yeah, don't take over. What's wrong, Josh?
No! No!
Which two do you have, Greg?
Okay, Mom.
Okay, Mom.
Oh, that goofball's going out there.
How are you so fortunate?
About what?
But having your
Right here?
yeah.
Got it. What are you toasting over there, Mom?
Toasting? Trying to keep
You're a mile away with this. Right
He does here.
Look at this kicking. If you does. Is it deeper than it looks?
Pretty deep.
I can see the bottom.
Think?
Yes, right there.
You guys want to go down there? Down from this cut wheat field here, sideways, the airplane.
There's a butterfly.
And this is the hole
Look,
they had to
there's
dig
a
for the
butterfly. See?
bit of fuel
Yeah.
that fell on the ground. Here's the airplane that caused all the troubles.
Hey, did you hear what I was doing?
What?
I was sitting in the shade drinking a beer.
No.
I'm thoroughly relaxed.
Me too.
You didn't make nothing?
There's the carrots. That's the and the eggs.
Hey Larry, you want to eat? Want more of this on that truck? Just a nice medium load on it. All the way across.
Dad! Your mom want it. Josh, you know what we get to do? What? They get to sleep on the couch bed. In the camper. In the bed.
She has it, but yes, his what didn't turn red, Tracy. It stayed more.
Huh.
It's for Georgie bikes. Get this. And they do it. And then try to get this hole. Okay? This week, we'll go on top of my feet. Then tread yours out. Okay, now. Mommy, Joshy thinks the weight is gone.
What?
Now. You must have screwed up something.
Oh look, just look around.
I need the water buffalo.
What you doing, Jenna?
Nothing. Mommy, here, baby.
Oh, where's the baby? Where's the key? Where's the key?
Ow! That's your claws, man.
There's one down there and on the floor. Right here. Down there's a kitty. Nice. Oh, I lost one.
Thanks, Jamie. Just tear it off. I don't care. Here we go. Get the tape. Okay, Jen.
What you gonna do, James?
What, sure.
What to who?
Jenna, would you hold that, please?
Jenna, would you hold that?
No.
Jenna.
You want me to open these now?
Jenna, do you want to open them or you want to save them?
I guess. Open them. Jenna, I'm gonna throw it at you.
Don't you throw it at me, Missy.
Don't. Hey, throw it at me. Hey, wait till I get out there and you can aim at me and just hit me real hard.
Jenna's broke.
Oh, I really like it. What?
Jenna.
Oh, you love it.
Jamie. Don't tell him.
I know. You can have a water fight. Thanks. Thanks, sour. Oh, cool. See, I'm a big course. You pull back on it and it goes shoo. Then one of them goes out of it. Cool.
Oh, heck.
Yeah, I'm telling you what. Oh, my leg.
My Audie's leaving.
Hey, Don.
Gotta have it this way.
Yeah, there you go.
Turn around, we'll get your best eye.
Yeah, there. Turn around, Don.
Hey, you're over here. Better need you too.
Oh, I got her, huh?
Yeah.
It's birthday.
Happy birthday.
9 years old today.
Thanks, brother.
9 years old. Oh.
Enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.